Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix verification code not received on WhatsApp. So I will be showing you a few ways here on how to fix verification code not received on WhatsApp. So the first method here is to make sure that you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Go to your Google Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. Now, if you see the update button right here, what you're going to do is you have to click update. And then once done, then you can now open and see if this fixed the problem. If not, then the next thing you should do is you need to simply long press your WhatsApp and then go to app info. Here on app info, you have to look for clear cache or storage usage. Tap on storage usage and then tap on clear cache. You could also clear data if you want. Now, once done, you can now go to permission and you have to make sure that you have added your phone, your contacts under permission. So you need to allow WhatsApp to have access to your contacts because this is one of the reasons why you cannot receive any code or verification code from WhatsApp. So you have to make sure that you have allowed permissions of your contacts, of your phone, storage, and so on. So once done, you need to go back and see if this method work. Now, if not, then the next thing you should do here is to restart your device. So long press power button, tap on restart, and open your WhatsApp application again and see if this method work. If not, then the next thing you should do here is you have to go to the WhatsApp Help Center. You need to ask a help from their customer service. So you can go to WhatsApp Help Center, tap on WhatsApp Help, and then what you're going to do here is you have to look for Contact Us. You can scroll down, look for Contact Us, and then after that, you need to tap on Contact Us. And you should see this. So all you have to do is to simply add the information needed. Once done, click the next tab, just answer basic questions, and then tap on Submit. Wait for the customer service to respond and help you with this matter. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.